Hey guys, it's Dan here with another video, and today we're going to be making this. Yeah, it's a cheese board, and I don't have it with me because it was a Christmas gift for my grandparents. So it's already there, and I forgot to record the intro and outro, which I'm doing right now. So, if you can't tell, it's made from wood, and the thing that's cool about this is the wood that is on the top, the maple, is from a tree in my backyard that fell down. So it's made from something that's from my house. Let's get into the build. I started sawing from up here, and now all the way down here. Took about two and a half-ish hours, I guess, I don't know, to get this far. And I'm doing this because this doesn't fit in my bandsaw, and it's a little scary trying to think of doing that on a table saw right now, so I'm cutting it with a hand so I can get these pieces onto other power tools. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done. Yeah. Oh. Look how nice that maple looks, guys. So let's clear the bark off this. Probably just put this somewhere where it's gonna stay the same moisture level. Yeah. I drew up some plans for the legs I'm going to make. As you can see, the middle board is 3/4 inch thick, and if you want to, you can make this out of 3 pieces. I think I'm going to just cut this out of 1 piece for each leg, and then just use the table saw to do every single cut, and we're gonna see what that does. So for the legs, I'm going to be using the table saw, and I'm gonna be doing it inside because I really just don't want to be out in the cold right now. So let's get this plugged in. Get safety gear on, glasses, ear protection. And let's square this up so I can draw some lines on it. I drew it on this side, but I have to draw it on this side. Oops. I made this jig where I have it taped up there with double-sided tape. I have this lined up so that when I turn it on, it's going to groove right here, and then from here I clamped this over so I can groove the distance that this is. It's going to be like a dado stack cut, but it's going to be the thickness of this, and it's just making this parallel to the cut that I'm doing so that the legs and the top of the thing sit parallel with each other. So this is just cutting grooves for this into the curved section. since you can't really see what's going on, I'm going to make this all work and we're going to come back when it's done. So see, got the slices in there. Just going to glue these in, probably against something that's a little straight. Let it dry and we're doing the coating. One thing that you need to account for when you're doing that is the blade width, which I didn't. So as you can see, there's this little sliver that I need to glue in. I cut this as a slice from the extra and I kept on shaping it down. I'm going to glue it in with super glue, cyan or acrylic glue, and then I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to trim the excess. Yep, so just clean all the excess off. So it's a lot less noticeable. It doesn't look perfect, but yeah, repairs never usually turn out exactly perfect. So we're going to do all sanding and then the finishing. Aha! Look how cool it is. Yeah! It's a picture. Yeah, hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. And please consider subscribing because my views are actually up there and they're actually doing well. My subscribers are so low that I'm never going to ever get paid on YouTube because it's just not increasing fast enough. I already have enough views for everything, so it's sort of weird. Like I have thousands of views for some videos and only 300 subscribers, even less than that right now. So please consider subscribing. If you can't tell, you might be able to see something. My eyes are actually appearing as their actual color blue because I have a lot better lighting in my shop now and I switched to 4K on my phone instead of the 1080p just for the intro and outro so you can see all the details. Yeah, so that's good. The video in production is going up and I did all this from Christmas money, so that's good. Also, I have a Patreon where you can help support that. So the Patreon money will go towards stuff like these kinds of improvements also, and you can have your name appear like this. All those people support me. You can have more benefits. Check it out. Link below. So we will see some other videos of me making stuff or doing parkour. And you can subscribe or Patreon, and we'll see you in the next video.